What up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today, as you guys can see, I got a new mic and I'm gonna be unboxing the blue Snowball black ice or ice black. So let's get started. So I believe you open it through here. Yup. By the way, this is how the back of the box looks like. The sides and then the other side, by the way. There you go. So first things first, I don't know if you can see that. I believe here's where the microphone itself, oh, I don't want to drop that. So here you go, the microphone itself right here comes well packaged and secure. It comes in a little plastic bag, and it has a weight to it actually. Really feels top notch already. Ooh, man, that looks beautiful. Let me get this bag out. And here you guys have the mic. Can you guys see it? Yup. Wow, it looks, I don't know if this is metal or if it's plastic, but it feels like metal. And it does have a weight to it. Feels really high quality built. So let's set that right here on the side. And I believe the stand comes in here. Oh, we're probably gonna have to open it through the bottom. Ooh, no. Oh, there you go. And there you go. Here's where the stand comes in. Let's see what comes in here. There you go, the little tripod or the stand. This is how it looks like. Ooh, this is pretty heavy too. It has a weight to it. Feels really high quality metal. Put that right here to the side. And we also got the USB cable. You guys could see. And the last thing is the manual. So here you go. So here's the manual. You know, pretty basic stuff. So I'm assuming we put the microphone in here. Oh wait, does this have anything? Well, actually it does. Look, I was about to put the microphone inside and it has what is this? Oh, a salt package. It has some salt packaging, you know, the silica. So if you guys get this microphone, make sure you check the little hole before you stick it in the tripod. I'll just put that to the side too. So I'm assuming this goes like this. Does it screw in? Let me check. Oh yeah, it does screw in. So this goes in like this. Oh, wait. Gotta put it straight. Wait, that's how it goes? Yeah. So there it is, guys. Put together, and that's how it looks like. And the little stand. Here's where you plug it in, and this actually moves back, forward, and that's it. I don't think it moves to the sides. Yeah, I don't think it moves to the sides. Well, there you guys have it. Let me plug it in and give it a test and see what kind of quality we could get out of this microphone. I mean, I heard it's a really good microphone. but we're about to find out, you know. So I'll be back. Let me plug it in and set it up, and we'll see right now. There you guys have it. I plugged it in. The cord is pretty long actually, so you guys shouldn't have a problem with that. You guys could see the little red indicators right here, and I just plugged it in, and as you guys could see, it works. I don't know if you guys could catch that on the camera, but here it appears as blue Snowball microphone, and it's picking up my voice right now. So I'm gonna try to give it a let me test it out real quick, and let's see how it sounds. So let's go into let me see, give me a second here actually. Alright guys, there we go. Let's try it out with this. I don't know if this is gonna be like the best, you know, way to test it out. I'm gonna try to do a recording and then do like a little video clip and then put it in the video so you guys could actually hear how it sounds. But let's give it a test. Hello, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. How is the new microphone working? Can I hear myself? Maybe I'm probably about I would say maybe I would say like a foot away from the microphone, and let's see how it sounds. Alright, let's see. Hello, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. How is the new microphone working? Can I hear myself? Maybe. I'm probably about I would say like a foot away from the microphone, and let's see how it sounds. There you guys have it. To me, honestly, it sounds really good. It sounds better than the other microphone I had, and I would recommend getting this microphone. Like I said, I'm gonna do a little test, and I'm gonna put the clip in the video so you guys could actually hear how it sounds. What up guys, just testing out the new microphone. I'm probably about a foot away, maybe even less than that, and I'm just gonna keep going backwards and see how it sounds and picks up my voice. I'm probably now 2 feet away from the microphone. I don't know if you guys can still hear me. Let's go back more. I would say I'm probably like 5 feet away from the microphone. I'm pretty far from my computer right now. I don't know if you guys could still hear my voice. And let me go back all the way now. And I would say I'm probably like 8 feet away from the microphone. I don't know if it's still catching my voice pretty good or not, or picking up my voice, I should say. But here's the test. Now let me get closer slowly. Getting closer, 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 getting closer. But there you go. There you guys have it. Test. Hear for yourself how it sounds. But so far, I'm liking this microphone a lot. But other than that, I recommend getting this microphone to anybody that, you know, is looking for a good microphone at a decent price. And yeah, guys, that's basically it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys did, please give it a like, and like always, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. So peace out, guys.